Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua, and we're back to our latest update. This is now the final update on 97W for this Saturday evening, August 6, 2022. And this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest GovSat for today's Saturday until tomorrow Sunday. We are going to issue a GovSat tomorrow Sunday because the weather situation across the Philippine Islands still raining in some parts, and then we need to issue this analysis. So instead of the 48-hour weekend analysis, it's gonna be a 24-hourly update. So here comes 97W. It's now an active LPA. It emerged over the West Philippine Sea this morning after crossing southern Tagalog provinces and the western portions of Central Luzon, and areas across central and southern Luzon, including the Bicol region, experienced some flooding in low-lying areas. As you can see on all over the social media, there are lots of them reporting flooding. Also over the Visayas, like Cebu, there are some flooded areas as well because of this low pressure system. And it's now at a medium chance of becoming a tropical cyclone or tropical depression within the next 24 hours, but it may still take a few days of becoming a tropical cyclone, since it is expected to linger outside of PAR for the next few days before moving in the general direction of southern China. So that will be the track of the low pressure system based on the majority of the computer models. So with this situation, the southwest monsoon will once again be intensified. Actually, right now it's beginning to affect MiMaRoPa, Western Visayas, with some patches of these rain clouds moving into the monsoon trough, which is affecting Bicol region. Right now it's calm with very light winds from the south or southwest. And we are experiencing some rainfall on and off until this evening, while in various sections of Central Luzon, portions of Western Northern Luzon area, there are still some thunderstorms and rains will be expected tonight, and then by tomorrow rains will continue on and off across MiMaRoPa, Western Visayas, okay, and also Bicol region and the rest of Luzon. The southwest monsoon will be more frequent over the Spratly Islands, including the Calayan Island group. So folks, fishermen, okay, mariners that are willing to ship out here, please take unnecessary precautions. Avoid of going out first because of the monsoon weather. And also across the Scarborough Panatag Shoal, the waves here are quite large because of this LPA. And so far that's the latest on the low pressure system moving away from our country. Outside of PAR, we have an active intertropical convergence zone near the equator, all the way from western Micronesia towards the Marshall Islands. By the way, LPA 97W is expected to exit the Philippine area responsibility by tomorrow, Sunday morning, August 7. And here comes the latest fast animation from the University of Wisconsin Tropical Cyclone page. You can clearly see here the cloudiness, dispersed cloudiness of LPA 97W becoming more disorganized as of this evening. And still, the rain bands of the southwest monsoon is affecting MiMaRoPa, parts of western Visayas, reaching the Bicol region with the monsoon trough along this area. And if you take a look now at our zoom-in satellite animation, there you go. These are the thick rain bands of the monsoon together with the trough shaded with LPA 97W. LPA 97W is somewhere here as it moves towards the west, okay, because of a high pressure ridge to the northeast of this LPA. Mindanao will have also the usual localized thunderstorms in the afternoon or evening. If you also see the infrared shot or animation of this cloudiness, you can clearly see here that most parts of the country are having some rainfall, since this afternoon. Now here's the rain, wind, and pressure forecast from the European model, courtesy of windy.com. So for this afternoon, the LPA is here. By tomorrow afternoon, it will be moving out of the Philippine area responsibility, but the southwest monsoon will be re-intensified, okay, and it's affecting MiMaRoPa, portions of Western Visayas, and also the coastal areas of northern and central Luzon. There might be some stray showers passing over Metro Manila and some stray thunderstorms across the Bicol region. And also over Eastern Visayas and Mindanao. These are localized thunderstorms. On Monday afternoon, the LPA will become likely a monsoon depression since the winds are along its periphery. It's not yet a tropical depression, so we are going to monitor this system even it's outside of power, since our website Typhoon2000 monitors system outside of PAR. So the southwest monsoon is still affecting MiMaRoPa, and the eastern rain bands of LPA 97W together with the southwest monsoon, the combined effects will bring some heavy to extreme rainfall across the provinces of Zambales and western Pangasinan. So watch out, folks, people living over the western sections of Luzon, for possible rains and thunderstorms brought about by the trough of LPA 97W and the southwest monsoon, while the Bicol region on Monday will be experiencing some good weather with only isolated showers in the afternoon or evening, while over Visayas and Mindanao, some localized thunderstorms will be expected in the afternoon or evening of Monday. And on Tuesday afternoon, 97W will eventually become a tropical depression or even tropical storm as it moves towards southern China, bringing along the line of the line of thunderstorms of the southwest monsoon, affecting still MiMaRoPa and the western sections of central Luzon and the western coastal areas of northern Luzon. Visayas and Mindanao will continue to experience some possible showers. Okay, so far that's the latest on the rain, wind, and the pressure forecast. We have here a cloudless LPA, but it's not a pure LPA, just the graphics that showed a low pressure of 1006 millibars. And that's it. That's the latest for this weekend. I hope you'll have a good weekend ahead, particularly tomorrow, Sunday. And we will return on Monday to give you more updates on the weather. We will be returning to our usual tropical weather analysis here at our YouTube channel, as well as at our Facebook channel, MrTyphoon.com. This is Mike Padua. Stay safe always. Be #WeatherWiser. Happy weekend to all, and thank you so much for watching our channel.